Dirt Fishman here, y'all. It's another little video me and my son's going to do of our golf deliveries on our vehicles. And we wanted to say hey. Hey. Alright, y'all, let's turn this camera around and open up some fun cars. Alright, y'all. Up first is going to be the Hot Wheels Premium Car Coach. I got the whole set of these in the Gulf Livery.
What a back open up.
Yeah, 60 flat, 500D modified of it.
I'm going to open it?
Yeah.
But why is it so wet there?
Peel that thing back.
What is it?
You go dig into it. It's a Fiat.
But a back? No. But
Don't.
the food opens up on there.
Yeah. It's like a Volkswagen and it's got a little motor in the back of it.
It's a beetle bug.
There we go, y'all. That's another casting that I collect. Anything with golf delivery on it. Anything. Alright, up next is number 2 out of 5. Is the 69 Ford Mustang Boss 302.
Bomba.
Open that bad boy up.
I opened the whole thing up.
Yes, you did, didn't you?
It's heavy.
Yeah, because it's metal on metal, baby. This is premiums. These are the nice ones. This is a good looking car right here.
Wait, hold it again.
All right, we got this one open up. All right, y'all. 3 out of 5 is the Nissan Loria 2000 SGX. There you go, y'all can see it.
Number
Nice
4.
one.
That's my favorite number. 4.
Is it?
Yeah.
Uh-oh, pull it off, pull it off.
It opened the whole thing up.
It sure did, didn't it?
Why did it?
This is another nice one right here.
It's heavy.
Yeah, they all heavy, baby, because they
But
all metal on metal.
But this is the only one that ain't heavy.
Because it's little. Up next, y'all, is the Volkswagen Golf MK7. MK7. Check that air out. Number 2 on the side of it.
And void. And the O. And O.
Dig it out.
It's a bone shredder.
Mm-hmm.
The bag on it is shiny.
Yeah. Another nice one, baby.
It ain't heavy.
Nope. All right, up next, y'all, is 5 of 5 is the McLaren F1 GTR.
I put an O on side.
Okay, open.
Guess what?
Mm-hmm. Can you get your finger there? Come on now, hurry. There we go. That's one way to do it, ain't it? Check this bad boy out, y'all. It's another nice one. Yep. Up next, y'all, we got a Auto World, the pickup truck. 1 out of 6,000. I'm not going to open this one up because it was a special one. But check that there out, y'all. The rust bucket one. Nice one there.
Why are you going to open it?
And I got another treasure hunt fast fish with the Gulf livery on it. I wanted to show y'all. See the symbol there by the front tire, the back of it. And thing there. And I got this in the mail today too. The Mercedes-Benz 300L SL, the Elite 64. Here goes the details. Y'all can see ya. Pretty nice little find there. And y'all, I found this right here too.
Rebecca had a heart.
At there is the 2-pack of the Primas of the 16 Ford GT Race, both of them.
Let's open it.
We fixing to, baby. Let's open these jokers up and put them on a turner for y'all.
Let me open it.
I'm gonna have to help you on these babies. Here's the hard one, remember? Remember? Flip that up. Get your finger in there, flip that up. Oh, don't drop them out there. It opens up this way, baby. Hey, grab them out. You got them? Well, hold that one there. Let's put this on the thing.
We can put both of them on a turner. Ooh, sounds heavy.
Yeah, look at the Castro one. Other one's the Eco Boost one. Powered by Eco Boost Ford. Another nice little set right here we found. Yep, y'all, that's gonna be it right there for our little video on this day right here. We opened up some premiums for y'all. So let's turn this thing around and say our goodbyes. Can't bring them home, baby. Okay, come on. Uh-oh, let me get you in the picture. You too small still. Alright, y'all, that's going to be it for our little video. We wanted to say bye. If you like what y'all see, subscribe to our channel, please. Dirt Fisherman out.
Peace out.